Are you feeling sluggish, bloated, or struggling to lose weight? It could be a sign that your body needs a reset. In today's video, I'll be walking you through a simple, effective detox meal plan that's designed to help flush out toxins, boost your metabolism, and shed unwanted fat, all while keeping you full and energized. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the meal plan, let's talk about why detoxing is so important. Every day, our bodies are exposed to toxins, whether it's from processed food, pollution, or even stress. Over time, these toxins can overwhelm your system, leading to bloating, fatigue, and stubborn weight gain. A detox doesn't just reboot your digestive system. It gives your body a chance to eliminate waste efficiently, jumpstart fat burning, and reset your energy levels. Think of it as hitting the restart button. Now, the key to a good detox is understanding that it's not about starving yourself. It's about nourishing your body with clean, wholesome foods that support your liver, kidneys, and digestive system. Ready? Let's look at what a day on this detox meal plan looks like. First stop, the morning ritual. Start your day with a warm glass of lemon water. This simple habit kickstarts your digestion, alkalizes your body, and hydrates you after a full night's rest. Next, it's smoothie time. Blend up a detox green smoothie with spinach, cucumber, celery, ginger, lemon juice, and a small apple for natural sweetness. These ingredients are packed with vitamins and antioxidants to help your body flush out toxins and fuel your morning with clean energy. For breakfast, let's keep things light yet satisfying with chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond milk and let it sit overnight. In the morning, top it with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, keeping you full and reducing mid-morning cravings. Speaking of cravings, we've got a healthy mid-morning snack option for you. A small handful of raw almonds paired with a cup of green tea is the perfect choice. Almonds provide healthy fats and protein to keep hunger at bay, while green tea is loaded with metabolism-boosting antioxidants. Lunch should be light but nourishing. And here's a delicious option. A detox quinoa salad with kale, cherry tomatoes, avocado, and a lemon tahini dressing. Quinoa is a fantastic source of plant-based protein, while kale is loaded with detoxifying antioxidants and fiber. Add some creamy avocado, and you've got a balanced, nutrient-packed meal to keep you going. Let's talk about that afternoon energy slump. Sound familiar? Combat it with a refreshing detox tea made with ginger and turmeric. These superfoods are anti-inflammatory, boost your digestion, and fight bloat. Pair your tea with some cucumber slices and hummus for a light yet satisfying snack. For dinner, I love a warming detox soup. This can be a homemade vegetable soup made with carrots, zucchini, spinach, garlic, and turmeric. This low-calorie, nutrient-rich soup not only soothes your digestive system, but also keeps your body in fat-burning mode throughout the evening. Pair it with a side of greens if you'd like, and you've got a perfect detox-friendly dinner. Your detox day doesn't stop at dinner. Before bed, wind down with a calming herbal tea like chamomile or peppermint. Both are gentle, soothing, and promote good digestion. Plus, they'll help you relax for a better night's sleep. Remember, quality sleep is crucial for effective detoxification and weight loss. Now, before you go and start your detox journey, here are a few final tips to boost your results. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your system flushed and your body energized. Avoid processed foods, sugar, and excess caffeine. These can derail your detox and leave your body feeling strained. Move your body. Whether it's a brisk 30-minute walk, a light yoga session, or some gentle stretching, physical activity stimulates circulation and helps your body eliminate waste more efficiently. And that's it, your complete detox meal plan for weight loss, energy, and overall health. The best part? It's easy, sustainable, and full of delicious, nutrient-packed foods. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. I'd love to hear from you. Are you planning to try this detox meal plan? Or do you have your own go-to detox recipes? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and happy detoxing.